So here's a Notion setup with a daily tracking database. And here is the widget, which automatically adds a new day to the Notion database. You can see it's been added with the string set February 12th, 2022, and the date has also been populated. You can also customize the widget to present you with a date picker to choose a different date, for example, the 10th. And that will add the date that you specified into the Notion database. It's easy to customize the shortcut to choose whether or not to show the date picker. Simply set the use current date to true to use the current date or false to present you with the date picker. If you want to change how the title of the date looks, you can do that by scrolling down to this format, expanding, and using a custom string where it says format string. A link is provided in the comments to show you Apple's documentation of different strings to use to get different results. Finally, if you wish to automate this to run at 4 a.m. every day, just go to the shortcuts, go to automation, bottom middle, and then add a new automation to run your shortcut daily at a specified time.